and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nina. So for today's video is a get ready with me, updated get ready with me / chit-chat with me, kind of, kasi I don't really talk much pag nagme-makeup kasi mas nagfo-focus ako doon. If you're curious to know kung ano ginamit ko, kung anong lip gloss ginamit ko, kung ano yung eyeshadow, eyebrows, blush, and mascara, and eyeliner, watch this video. To start off, I already primed my face. So, tatali ko na lang yung buhok ko. And then, I'm gonna put Human Nature Sunflower Beauty Oil. I'm gonna put this all over my face. You can also put this on your hair, stuff like that. Then after that, I'm gonna use True Match Foundation. My shade is N7 from L'Oreal. I put this usually on my hand, my wrist. Wrist ba? Tama ba wrist? Tapos, I do like, kind of V. Don't forget the neck. Then I'm gonna use my foundation brush. And to make sure na na-blend ko lahat, I'm gonna blend it again with this oval brush. I don't know kung ano yung mga brush ngayon. Pero ito yung mga go-to kong ginagamit. Ha? Ganon. So this is what I always use for every time nagme-makeup ako. For loose powder is UAS. So I pat it with this brush. Diba? Hindi ko rin alam yung mga brushes dito. Pero I pat it with this one. Then I use this brush for powder. I don't usually talk sa mga makeup tutorials ko kasi pag nagme-makeup kasi ako, dun lang ako tahimik. Then I always bake my face pag tapos na yung eye makeup ko. Kasi para walang fallouts usually. So, brush ko na yung brush. The next one is eyebrows. I always use this Milani, the dark. My shade is number 8, dark chocolate. Stay Put Brow Color. Milani. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. So, for the next one is, hindi ko siya na, sa previous videos ko, kung ano itong binili ko. So what I bought from Shopee is palette, eyeliner, and a mascara. Kasi wala na ako ng mascara. Nakita ko siya sa TikTok kasi I want na palette ko is colorful. So the next na babae ko, dapat colorful na yung palette ko. Kasi all of my palettes are black, brown, neutral, ganon. So I want something colorful. Hindi naman ako colorful when it comes to makeup. As you can see, mas ina-explore ko yung buhok ko kaysa sa makeup. Nakita ko ito dati sa video ko pero I didn't review it. Parang pinakita ko lang sa intro. So ito siya. This one is color board. by Beauty Glazed. So, we have green, different shades of green, tapos meron din siyang mga neutral colors, may yellow, parang everything na you can. This one, I tried this from my Harley Quinn. If you don't know, I have TikTok also. So, nag-Harley Quinn ako, costume, out of nowhere lang, nag-Harley Quinn ako. Tapos, I tried this one, medyo red siya. Yeah, and then, yeah, may neutral colors na naman tayo. Brown and stuff like that. The glitter ones I've tried and medyo nagpo-fall out siya. So, yun lang yung downside nito. Parang madaming fallout when it comes to glitters and stuff like that. Mas ang tagal lagyan. Tapos may blue, may yellow, may green, sparkly na naman, may neutral colors na naman. And then my favorite part, favorite swatch, is this one. The purple one, the purple side. So, meron tayong pink, may brown na naman tayo, and stuff like that. So, I'm gonna try since neutral lang. And my hair is still pink. So, I'm gonna use this. Sorry ang boring ko, pero ito lang. Dito lang tayo magsistay. Ang pangit lang dito is walang mga names. So, ayan o, wala siyang names. So, paminsan, pag gusto ko ng ganitong color, like, this is the shade, ganito, ganyan. Eme! Wala. So, papakita ko lang ganyan. I will be using, dito na tayo mahirap eh, this color. And then, putting it, ito din, wala din tong mirror. Pero, okay lang. I'll be using my chocolate chip. I'll be using this color for the outer area. The outer eye part. The outer part. Basta ito, dito, oh, yan. Hindi ko alam. Diba walang nangyari? Wait ka lang. Tayo ng darker shade. I'm gonna use this one instead kasi ito mo yung nangyari. Hindi lang. I'm gonna brush off my powder na binake natin. This one. I also bought this from Shopee. I'm gonna link all the products below. The one that I mentioned. I'm gonna link it below. So this is Waterproof Intense Black by Minimalista. Mini Meli. Ang cute ng packaging nito. Color pink, minimalistic. I love it. Okay. And then what I will be using for mascara is Minimally again. And also the wand. I always put 2 or 3. Ngayon 2 lang. Ayan o, pak! Nakita niyo ba? Ayan o, pak! pumayat. Tapos what I do is dab, pak. Tapos gaganunin mo for the nose. Contour the nose. Not too much kasi paminsan nasusobrahan mo. Ilong lang. Mahalatang kinontour. So dito, tapos dito. And then pak, tapos dito rin. Yan. Ganon. So for the lips, I'm so happy na beaut.mnl chose me as their brand ambassador for their products. So they're selling lip gloss, this super cute lip gloss. Beaut.mnl. This is 24 karat. They have 2 or 3 shades pa na lip gloss. This is only 135 pesos, you know. So sobrang mura na niya. So this is powder matte lip tint for only 120 pesos. Here, this is brunette. This is wifey type. So I'm gonna use these 3 and let's see kung ano yung maganda. And then ito yung last kasi lip gloss to yun. I know what it will come out eh. So we're gonna use wifey type. Let's have a swatch. Uy, ang bango. May bubble gum. Let's see si brunette. May amoy din to. Amoy cinnamon. Ah, ang ganda! Super nice. It's si brunette kasi may cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Brown kasi hindi bagay sa akin. Pero we'll see. We'll try both. Okay, hindi siya bagay sa akin. But, hindi bagay sa outfit. There's a look. But it's nice. Wifey type. Ito may bubblegum talaga. Thank you, beaut.mnl. They're choosing me also. So, I'm using this kasi ito na yung blush. Blushing Goddess by Mila. Pinaka-favorite ko. Yan. Tapos, we're gonna do is to lock the makeup is what I'm using will be NYX Dewy Finish Long-Lasting Setting Spray. Look, you guys, this is it. Ito na yun. Ito na yung makakaya ko. Ito yung powers ko. Ganito lang. Yeah, this is what I do. Pag nagve-video or when I do TikTok, this is what I always do. Like, soft yet may dating na makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video.